They think they're going to do it before this market frenzy runs out.
Well, there are two sides to the story. Obviously, this has been a great run-up. These brokerages in China have been expanding. They've been providing all the different services, including margin trading, of course. But at the same time, are we reaching the end of this boom? You know, this market, Shanghai Composite Index, has more than doubled in the last 8 months. It is getting quite frothy, and the PEs are getting quite overvalued. But it wants to capitalize, obviously, on this stock market boom and raise funds to replenish capital. Other reasons that they stated in their prospectus, including funding margin lending operations, which have reached a record $358 billion US in change as the market has surged. We have that chart. You can see up 461% over that last year. The amount of margin borrowing in the Chinese market really driven 80% by retail investors. So what are the details of this IPO? Seeking as much as $4.8 billion US would be China's largest domestic IPO since 2010. Chinese brokerage is set to surpass last year's record of $9.9 billion raised through share sales, already at $7.6 billion. CITIC Securities, of course, the largest domestic brokerage by market value. Guotai Junan is the largest by revenue. CITIC recently announced this week raising $3.5 billion US, and Shenwan Hongyuan Securities in a private placement raising $2.9 billion.
Wow.
The big geese.
Here's the thing, though. What's the timing for Guotai right now? Is it good?
It's a good time in the market right now. We don't know how long this is going to last, right? But a lot of market chatter about the end of the good times right now. We saw this in 2007, 2008. The run-up and then the crash. Perhaps we're getting there as well. This is a market that has now dipped in the last couple of days below 5,000 for the first time since June 4th. It soared nearly 150% already this year, but a couple of pullbacks the last 2 days, down 5.4%. Tang Yayun at Northeast Securities in Shanghai says brokerages need money after expanding too fast in this round of the bull market. Added, though, the market is nearing a peak. Hong Hao at BOCOM International is even more blunt, Angie. Everyone is busy looking for the greater fool. It is plain that China is in a bubble. A crash is looming.